National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Tampa Bay waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Suwannee River, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Tarpon Springs to Suwannee River, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles, including Anclote, Anna Maria Island, Arpica, Bayport, Clearwater Beach, Courtney Campbell Causeway, Dunedin, Egmont Key, Gandy Bridge, Hillsborough Bay, Howard Franklin Bridge, Indian Rocks Beach, Johns Pass, Longboat Key, Longboat Pass, New Pass, Old Tampa Bay, Passagrille Channel, Port Richey, Sarasota Bay, Siesta Key, St. Pete Beach, Sunshine Skyway Bridge, Tampa Bay, Tarpon Springs, Terracea Bay, Venice, and Venice Inlet, until 5 p.m. At 3 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of thunderstorms, producing severe winds in excess of 50 knots from 15 nautical miles west of Bayport to 62 nautical miles west of Longboat Pass, moving east at 25 knots. Conditions are also favorable for the formation of waterspouts, which can form with little or no warning. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch Number 8, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Florida, Charlotte, DeSoto, Hardee, Manatee, and Sarasota, and the following marine locations: Charlotte Harbor, coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Severe Thunderstorm Watch Number 8 has been issued from 3:05 p.m. until 11 p.m. for the following counties: in Florida, Charlotte, DeSoto, Hardee, Manatee, and Sarasota, and the following marine locations: Charlotte Harbor, coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood out 20 nautical miles.
Your coastal waters forecast for the WWG 59 listening area for the following marine location.